This is the 18th question of TMUA exam, year 2023, paper 1. Question says you are given that S is equal to 4 plus 8k by 7 plus 16k square by 49 plus 32k cube by 343 plus so on till 4 into 2k by 7 raised to n. The value of k is chosen as an integer in the range minus 5 to 5, including minus 5 and 5. All possible values of k are equally likely to be chosen. What is the probability that the value of S is a finite number greater than 3? So as soon as I see this series, this is a geometric progression which is being added, geometric series. The common ratio here R is equal to 2k by 7. This is actually represented by here also, 4 into 2k by 7 raised to n. This is the nth term. Also you can think of it even if it is not given. 4 into 2k by 7 is 8k by 7. 8k by 7 into 2k by 7. 8 into 2 will become 16. K into k becomes k square, and in the denominator 7 into 7 becomes 49. So common ratio is 2k by 7. The first term A is given to be 4. This is an infinite series. First of all, if infinite series is ultimately adding up to a finite number, that means this common ratio lies between minus 1 and 1. Okay, or you can say mod of R is less than 1. Okay, all right, it can't be equal to 1 also, because then it will be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 all the way long. That will not add up to a finite sum. So mod R is less than 1. That means R lies between minus 1 and 1. This is the first condition that we have arrived. So if R lies between minus 1 and 1, 2k by 7 lies between minus 1 and 1, because that is R. That means k lies between minus 7 and 7. 2k lies between minus 7 and 7, or k lies between minus 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. This is one established fact, the first fact, that k lies between minus 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. But there is also a condition that the sum is a finite number greater than 3. So if we know that in an infinite geometric series, the sum is given by the formula a upon 1 minus r. Okay. So what is a? A is 4 here, upon 1 minus r is 2k by 7. 2k by 7. Okay. Now this has to be greater than 3. It says S is a finite number greater than 3. So the sum has to be greater than 3. This is the sum. So that will be then how much? This is 7 goes up, and this is 7 minus 2k. So it is 28 upon 7 minus 2k is greater than 3. Now this is an inequality. Before multiplying both the sides by 7 minus 2k, we have to figure out the sign of 7 minus 2k. Now we know that k lies between minus 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. That means 2k lies between minus 7 and 7. That means 7 minus 2k will never be negative. Okay. First of all, if you look at it, k is negative, the denominator is positive. That's not an issue. But if k is positive, at the maximum, it will be a positive number which is less than 7 by 2. So if k equals 7 by 2, then this becomes 0, which is not allowed. So k cannot be 7 by 2. It is less than 7 by 2. So this still becomes a positive number. So if it is a positive number, I will multiply this here, keeping the same inequality sign. This becomes 28 is greater than 3 into 7 is 21, minus 3 into 2k is minus 6k. So from here, I add 6k on both the sides. It is 28 plus 6k is greater than 21, and I deduct 28 on both sides. 6k is greater than 21 minus 28, which is minus 7, or k is greater than minus 7 by 6. This is also a condition that I get. This is the second fact, that k is greater than minus 7 by 6. So k was greater than minus 7 by 2, but k is not just greater than minus 7 by 2. It is greater than minus 7 by 6 also. Okay. And k is an integer. So k greater than minus 7 by 6. Minus 7 by 6 is minus 1 point something. So what are the integers which is greater than minus 1 point something and less than 3.5? If I list down the integers, that will be minus 1, 0, then 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Because if you look at it, minus k is greater than minus 1 point something. So k can take minus 1. K can take 0, 1, 2, 3, but K has to be less than 3.5. So these are the possible values K can get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 possibilities that K can take out of the total 11. If K lies between minus 5 and 5, like you can choose K from minus 5 to 5, including minus 5 and 5. There are 11 options that you have. Out of the 11 options, you can choose only these 5 options for all this to be true. So the probability is 5 upon 11. So answer option E, 5 by 11 over here is the right answer.